Bob with Precision Zone, and I'm going to be going over a quick static check on this Magnetek Series 1 impulse drive. Now I have removed the input card so that this is easier to film, but you do not have to do that for a normal test. So the first thing that we're going to do before we get started is check the DC bus to make sure it's been discharged. And after it's been sitting for some time, that should happen, but we're just going to go ahead and verify that. So let's put our meter on the DC function, and we'll check between the negative and the positive side of the DC bus. And we're not showing anything, so this DC bus is discharged. If you see anything more than 1 volt, I would wait and let the bus discharge down below it. So let's move on to the input checks, and we'll put our meter to the diode function. And we're going to place the negative lead on the positive side of the DC bus. And then we're going to check between L1, L2, and L3. And we should be getting anywhere between 0.2 and 0.7 volts. And 0.4 is right in that range. Then we're going to switch the leads and put the positive lead on the negative side of the DC bus. And then go between L1, L2, and L3 again. 0.4, that's perfectly fine. So now we're going to go ahead and check the outputs using the same method. You'll place the negative lead on the positive side of the DC bus and go between T1, T2, and T3. 0.3 is definitely within the range of that 0.2 to 0.7. We'll switch the leads, put the negative side of the multimeter on the positive side of the DC bus, and go between T1, T2, and T3. 0.3 is great. If it's applicable, the next check we're going to do is checking between B1 and B2 with the diode check function. Positive lead on B2 and the negative lead on B1. And again, we should be reading anywhere between 0.2 and 0.7. 0.4 is perfectly within that range. So if you have any questions, you can always reach us at precisionzone.com. Thanks for watching.